Hello and welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina. I'm William Bird with NextGA Aircraft, and today we're here to look at a beautiful one-owner, heavily upgraded 2007 Columbia 350. Let's take a look. November 223 Golf Sierra has about 1,365 hours total time since new. The engine is the Platinum IO550N 310 horsepower engine rated at 2,000 hours TBO. It has tuned and balanced fuel injectors, a tuned exhaust, a tuned induction system. The Macaulay 3-blade prop has about 1,100 hours on it since prop overhaul. The Columbia 350 is the ultimate cross-country machine. You can expect cruise speeds of around 100 to 185 knots at 8,000 feet. The aircraft is certified to flight level 180 and it can get up there quickly if you need to. We can carry up to 98 gallons of usable fuel, which gives you an outstanding range of well over 1,000 nautical miles with IFR reserves. And the aircraft is utility category rated with an outstanding glide ratio of over 13:1. The Columbia 350 is a very slick, slippery aircraft. It has an outstanding glide ratio, does not want to slow down. What really helps with that is the speed brakes. The speed brakes are approved for all phases of flight. They're really useful to help slow you down from your descent to get you to your flap speeds where you can add a little drag in and get configured for approach. The paint on 223 Golf Sierra is in fantastic condition. Features a striking Ferrari red with gold fire mist. We know that the Columbia 350 is an all-composite aircraft, but the Columbia features much more carbon fiber throughout its design than comparable composite aircraft. The laminar flow wing keeps the air nice and tight to the carbon fiber control surfaces. We have carbon fiber doors, carbon fiber cowling, and dual wingtip to wingtip carbon fiber composite spars. All the fuel sits in between the wet wing design, and this redundancy and strength is part of what puts this aircraft into the utility category. The Columbia 350 features an ample baggage space so you can take your stuff. We can fit up to 120 pounds in the baggage area. We have a hat shelf area where we can fit lighter items, and we can remove that black bar and remove or fold the seats down and really load the aircraft up for our larger items. Let's take a look at the cabin in the Columbia 350. This 350 features tan leather Organ Aero sport seats, very comfortable. We have 4-place semi-portable oxygen, and of course we're equipped with factory air conditioning. This 350 is equipped with a Garmin G1000 fully integrated flight deck with ReadyPad. It's been upgraded to WAAS and synthetic vision technologies. It's also equipped with a Garmin GTX 345R ADS-B in and out transponder, XM weather, active traffic, TAWS-B terrain, digital engine monitoring with lean assist, Garmin safe taxi, flight charts, and digital checklist, backup airspeed altimeter, and 406 MHz digital ELT. This 350 is equipped with automatic climate control air conditioning, Precise Flight 4-place semi-portable oxygen, Organ Aero sport seats, Pitot Heat, Tannis engine preheater, Platinum engine upgrade, the Alpha Systems angle of attack indicator, headset and cup holders, SCS custom carpets, speed brakes, door seals, jet shades, HID landing light, and vernier throttle prop and mixture. One of my favorite features of the Columbia 350, and I think what is probably the most underrated safety feature of the aircraft, is the side stick controls. You're directly linked to your carbon fiber control surfaces with lifetime push rod controls. It's very intuitive, and you really feel what the airplane is doing. You really feel like you're wearing the airplane. If you're in the market for a Columbia 350, this just may be the pedigree that you're looking for. This heavily upgraded Columbia 350 is low time with just about 1,365 hours total time since new. It's a one-owner aircraft. It's been upgraded to WAAS, The G1000's also been upgraded with synthetic vision and ADS-B in and out. We have an HID landing light with 406 megahertz ELT, SES custom carpets, jet shades, angle of attack indicator, a lot of fantastic upgrades. There's a lot of things to love about this aircraft. Has a great maintenance history, so come on over to our facility in Greensboro, North Carolina. I'd love to spend some time with you and take a look at the aircraft, maybe take it up for a flight. For Next GA Aircraft, I'm William Bird.